This is the story of living simply in Sicily. Why don't you come along with us and sing along the way? If you had a favorite group that you used to sing with, try and imagine you can still hear them now.
Hi, I'm Gigi.
And I'm Jeff.
And we're living simply in Sicily. Today, in one day, it went from cold and wet in winter to spring. So we're going to take you for a walk.
A little bit of a breeze, but it's nice and sunny and warm.
So today we were finally able to come back to Ace Trezza and have our walk and be able to look at the boats and the farangiole out in the water, have our sale salsa con limone drink, and get a little fresh air. Finally stopped raining, so we're enjoying it.
Sale salsa limone. And it feels like spring.
It does feel like
The
spring.
sun is shining, it feels warm. The air is just slightly cool, but not cold like yesterday.
Now here's a really cool place to restore. Must have been something at one time. Pretty cool looking. Yeah, that must have been beautiful. The special bread that I made this week. So this is one of our favorite dishes. It's a curry. It has sausage, carrot, zucchini. I put some of those noodles, and it has bok choy and chives. So it's just a simple meal that I can make, and I use curry powder, some of my chili paste, and garlic, and salt and pepper. So, buon appetito! So I decided to make this bag out of the leftover fabrics I had from the top that I made the other day. And it's called a rice bag, and I'll leave the link of the video that I followed. More of a blouse. It was sleeveless, and I wanted sleeves. Unfortunately, when I put this little bit on, this one is this way, and this one is this way, so I have to fix one way or another. I almost kind of like it better inside out. What do you think? This one looks kind of funny. But anyway, so I added the sleeves to it. I cut the bottom, make it more of a blouse rather than a dress. What do you think? What I bought this linen for was to look like this. And one of the things it needed was lace. I thought I would try to make my own. So I made this little pattern so it wouldn't be too complicated. And I didn't have an awl, so I used this to poke through. And so you stick it in to loosen the fibers and gently poke a hole. So I made, a pattern, so I will just push it in there, make the hole, and then push it through. And then in order to get it a little thicker, I took a crochet hook and pushed it through to get a little thicker of a hole of it. So I originally was going to try to crochet like a lace, but I ran I ran out of the size of crochet thread. Got a different one, and it was too thick. So that was that. So a lot of times just very experimental, the things that I do, and I just keep working at it until I accomplish it. So don't give up. Don't give up on your dreams.
Some people. Perhaps skate on grass. Oh, that's good. I'm going back.